Welcome friends, this video is about calligraphy writing on a circular path. This is the procedure for the preparatory work to be done for making a circular path. Beautiful artwork. You will have to first write by keeping butter paper on the place where final writing work has to be done so that no mistakes are committed and artwork is not spoiled. This is because a lot of hard work is required to make the entire setup. Clip the butter paper to the artwork and keep rotating the entire page while you are writing. This will ensure that you are writing at right angles to the curve at the base. Now the bottom portion. You have to ensure that both the top line and the bottom line lengths are the same. This will come only by practice. Compare both the lines so that they are equal. Now start writing on the main artwork. You can use different colored inks because here you will have to write with 8 mm nib, 5 mm and 3.5 mm. Repeat the procedure first for 3.5 mm and then 5 mm nib. This is fantastic. Add some more artwork. Your fabulous artwork is ready.